Well guys, how you doing? Here with another unboxing. Not a scheduled unboxing because I didn't thought I was going to get this, so since I got it, it's a gift trading activity that we did, me and my friends. So this is what I got. This is Bugatti Chiron RC car from Walmart, from the brand Young Fan One Toys. I'm sure that pronunciation is really accurate. Okay, so scale 124 license radio control card says here. Okay, stop the waffle and let's get to action. Let's get to open it. Okay, and I need at this. Yeah. So let's to open it right now. Yeah. Great. Okay. Now here. Okay. Okay. It's open from this part. Here. Oh. They are screwless. Thanks. Young Feng Huan Toys. I'm sure that is the correct pronunciation. Wait, we have smells like new. The card is a Chiron Super Sport actually. Hey, I didn't notice that first. That's kind of cool. No, the Chiron Super Sport because it has the elongated tail, and this little holes here. I don't know if you can tell it, the camera. Hey, we got these things are screwless, thankfully, so the process is going to be fast. Okay, this is a toy grade RC car. Okay, it's not a hobby grade RC car like this one, but let me store here for a sec. But I'm not going to neglect. I'm not going to neglect a gift from one of my best friends in a interchange of gift activity. Okay, I'm not going to neglect it. Okay, no, I'm going to be a good person. Okay, a grateful person. I'm going to accept it and make a video about it. Why not? Thanks for the content. His name is Carlos. Alright, this is the remote controller. Okay. There's also the batteries there. Okay, so this is the RC car. And I think I can see them. I think it has headlights, working headlights. I don't know if it has working tail lights. I don't know really. Okay, I need to say that in function. Okay, you got a physical trim here on the bottom of the car, like all toy grade RC cars. Suspension, you actually in this one don't get any suspension at all. 2.4 gigahertz, so don't try, okay guys, don't try to have races with these RC cars, okay, with other ones, because if not the signal is going to get all wonky and the cars are going to go random directions. Okay, so don't ever try to do races with these cars that are 2.4 gigahertz. Okay, and now let's find the batteries. Okay, there's some details that are kind of a little bit loose. They have a little play in it, but most of the part, yeah, it's alright. Okay, yeah, it's alright. Oh, this door looks like I can open it. No, well, looks like it. No, I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's just a detail. No, no. I can't open anything. Okay. Well, let me find the batteries for a second, please. Okay. Right. Now, I'm going to open here the car. I think they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 or 5 AA batteries. Maybe 4 AA batteries, okay? By the looks of it. Okay, let's see if this point works. And indeed works. Okay, indeed works. This chair is a lot, it's really wonky too. Okay. This is not a one-hand controller, it's a obligated two-hand controller like you can see here. Okay, I need 2 hands, so I'm going to do the driving, okay, the driving session. No, not driving session, okay. The demonstration of how the car runs, I'm going to do it in a YouTube short, okay? Because I can't drive it one-handed, okay? You know what? I'm going to edit it. Actually, forget about that. I'm going to put the camera somewhere. I'm just going to drive the car. Okay, that. Okay. I'm going to do that, okay? I'm not going to pass for the hassle of the YouTube short, and there is actually 3 AA batteries, so I'm not expecting this to be a speed demon. I had this type of RC cars before, but I destroyed them on purpose. I don't know why I did that. I did it. I destroyed them on purpose. So the car is... Maybe it's that because I didn't like them. I had hobby grade RC cars and I didn't think I needed them. I don't know why I did that. I should have gifted them to a kid that wanted them. AA batteries, Duracell. Putting them on the car now. Nope. We're going to give energy to this car, okay, by Duracell. Another battery. And another battery. Great. I'm going to put this over here. Made in China. Okay. Great. Batteries on the car. I'm going to put the car here, and I'm going to take off the controller here to put the batteries on it. Faster. Too fast, no. Too fast, no. Fast. Okay. Controller here. Okay, so the controller feels insanely cheap, okay? Sorry guys, sorry Carlos, but the controller feels really cheap, okay? I mean, you can see the cheapness of this controller here. I'm not going to give you a lot of descriptions because of how it looks. you could perceive the quality, okay, of this controller, and it's not very high. Oh. Okay. Okay, they are the same screw. Alright. 2 AA batteries here for the controller. Just one less than the car. Well, they are brand new AA batteries. So I'm going to see how well it works. Let's put the battery, the screw back on. What fuck it, I'm not going to put the screw back on. This car maybe doesn't have any sensors for it. Okay, so well, I'm going to start it. Oh, it's a light there. That's kind of cool and goes through the insanely cheap plastic because the light is powerful enough to light through the cheap plastic. That's how cheap this plastic is. And the car on. Okay. Oh, well guys, works. Non-proportional steering, non-proportional throttle, and the question of before, it doesn't have rear lights, but it does have front lights. And I think if you are going to make a RC car with front lights, no toy grade Thingamajig, please do the rear lights also, okay? Like if you are doing the front ones, guys, just do the rear lights also. Okay. So I hope you could see it well. I don't know if you can see the car very well. I'm going to change the camera angle somewhere better. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, definitely a better angle. Okay, I'm going to sit here in my chair. Okay. 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 I hope you can see it well. I'm going to move the camera somewhere else. I'm going to put it here. Yeah, this is a better angle. Yep. I'm going to break. Okay, so first impressions of it, okay, is faster than I thought. Okay, this car is faster than I thought. Okay, I thought it was going to be slower because of the 3AA battery and it didn't look too fast to begin with. Okay, I'm doing circles right here. Oh yeah, little bit drift. Oh, it sounds like you are taking a scale RC car. Okay, it sounds like you are taking a model scale RC car and you are just like running it, you know, in the tile floor. It sounds like that, you know, it's so bouncy, plasticky, you know. It sounds like you are taking a scale model of a car and running it through the tiles, you know. That's how it sounds. Okay, honestly, I'm really crude, guys. I'm a crude guy. Okay, I say, oh, I crashed the hobby grade RC car there. I say the things like how they are. Okay. Stop there. The steering angle is not really good. Okay. The steering radius is really open. Okay. And the steering is not proportional. Okay. This is like a maybe, I don't know how much it costs. You know, Walmart doesn't put the sticker price on their products. Okay, I don't know how much it costed. I'm expecting between 10 and 15 bucks. Okay, but although at least it works. Okay, I just got it out of the room, putting it back. Okay, a little bit faster than I thought, really. Okay, but apart from that, exactly how I expected. Just a 10 to 15 bucks toy grade RC car that looks like a multi-million-dollar hypercar license. So yeah, this is a 10 to 15 buck Bugatti Chiron Super Sport toy grade RC car. Thanks for watching.